Dallas, Texas, at the Texas Motorplex, and we're racing this weekend. Qualifying starts tomorrow and Saturday, and the race is on Sunday. So my new car is a Toyota Camry body, of course sponsored by Patron Tequila. I'll be running with Kalitta Motorsports. Yeah, we're really looking forward to it. This is such a big race for me. I've been working my way up to this point for 6 years. You know, the last 5 have been in an alcohol funny car, and finally I won a race a couple races ago in Seattle.
But Alexis comes back, and the Tequila Patron car goes down, gets the win, joins a very select group of one other person as the winners for females in the top alcohol funny car class.
Last night we had a big party, a big like launch party. Tons of people came, lots of people from like NHRA, Patron Tequila executives, a lot of drivers, NHRA drivers, friends and family. A couple celebrities came, like Ron White. So we just had a great time. It was a nice way to kind of get everybody acquainted with our team and you know, the Tequila Patron name and what we're about and what we want to bring to the table here. I think it's good for everybody involved. I'm really grateful to have this opportunity and to be matched up with such a great team like Connie Kalitta. He's just such a great man and a legend. And my new team members are just awesome, fantastic people. We're really looking forward to this week, and I can't wait to race tomorrow. So today we're just kind of getting ready, getting everybody situated, tucking the car, and tomorrow I think our first run is set sometime in the afternoon. That's it. Thanks.